What is a black hole? A black hole is a region of space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. It's like a cosmic vacuum cleaner sucking in everything around it. Now, let's talk about the size of a black hole. It's not like a small, round object that you can hold in your hand. In fact, a black hole's size depends on its mass. The more mass it has, the larger it becomes. But how do black holes form? Well, they're formed when a massive star, usually 20 times the mass of our Sun, runs out of fuel. As it runs out of fuel, it collapses in on itself, creating a black hole. So, let's talk about the different types of black holes. There are three main types: stellar, intermediate, and supermassive. Stellar black holes are the smallest, usually between 3 and 20 times the mass of our Sun. They're formed when a massive star collapses in on itself. Intermediate black holes are a bit larger, usually between 100 and 10,000 times the mass of our Sun. They're formed when a large group of stars collapses in on itself. And finally, supermassive black holes are the largest, usually between 100,000 and 100 billion times the mass of our Sun. They're found at the center of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Now, let's talk about the universe and how it's affected by black holes. Black holes are not just fascinating objects in space. They also play a crucial role in the universe's evolution. They're the result of the most massive stars that ever lived, and they're the final chapter in the lives of these stars. Black holes are also the most massive objects in the universe, and they're the densest objects we know of. They're so dense that a teaspoon of black hole material would weigh as much as Mount Everest. A brief overview of black holes and their role in the universe. I hope you found this information interesting and informative.